Part of me resisted, part of me tried, oh, but in the end I insisted. I stumbled into a deep abyss of my own concupiscence, a chasm great and wide. Part of me assisted, part of me cried, oh, what do I consist of? What I aspired and what I wished for, of my own benevolence, not somewhere else to hide. My path has been obscure, I seek commitment, oh, fulfillment, to make my lot secure, to meet my destiny. Each night my heart instructs me in the midst of wolves. Need to start using better judgment in the midst of wolves. Yeah, I gotta make some adjustments. Stop fighting all my fears. In the midst of wolves, things are not as they appear. Oh, in the midst of wolves. Where am I traveling? Why have I been sent? I gotta feel it all unraveling. Everything I underwent, lost forever wandering endlessly in a dream, searching for something previously unseen, patiently obscene. Each night my heart instructs me in the midst of wolves. Need to start using better judgment in the midst of wolves. Yeah, I gotta make some adjustments. Stop fighting all my fears. In the midst of wolves, things are not as they appear. Oh, in the midst of wolves. Ever wandering endlessly in a dream, searching for something previously unseen, patiently obscene. Each night my heart instructs me in the midst